Hey honeys, this is your quick review of what is in the Grow with Jo app. To start, when you open up the app, you're going to see a list of programs, and if you have trouble finding a program that's right for you, make sure to use the filter feature to find what's best for you. If you're not feeling the workout for the day, choose the single workout. You can find something that suits your preference. In the Meals tab, you're going to have a customized diet that is specific to you and your needs and your preferences. If any of the meals you don't fancy, you can always change the meal or the ingredients in the meal. Don't forget to check out the grocery list. This is going to help you when you're at the grocery store, knowing exactly what to get and how much of it. If you're interested in trying out intermittent fasting, make sure to use the intermittent fasting tool. This tracks when you're fasting and when you're eating and tells you exact times that are going to be best for you to eat. And finally, the balance feature is what makes this app a holistic approach to your health and wellness journey. You're going to find meditations, podcasts, sleep sounds, breathwork exercises, scriptures, devotions, and even nature sounds to get you balanced on your journey. Make sure you check out the Grow with Jo app today. You're going to absolutely love it.